Do you have a favorite soccer team? No, you just like to wear the soccer jersey, very sexy, right? Okay? Do you have a favorite soccer team? No. Do you have a favorite soccer move? Like any soccer move you watch TV, very nice. That one is called header. Okay? Alright, and we're gonna party all the way. If you want